Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's lesson, we will teach you how to convert MS Word files to PDF in Windows 11. Open Word. Click on File at the top left corner. Go to Print. Set printer to Microsoft Print to PDF. You can also set what pages to convert. Go to Settings block. Click on Print All Pages. You can keep this option if you want the whole document to be converted to PDF. Choose Print Current Page to convert only current page to PDF. Choose Custom Print to choose custom pages that you need to be converted. You can choose if you want pages to be collated or uncollated. You can set the page orientation, portrait or landscape. You can choose the print size from the large list of options. It can be letter, tabloid, A3, A4, or other options. You can set up custom margins too. The last setting you can set up is how many pages do you want to print per one sheet. Click on Print when you're ready to save the file. A new window will open. Name the file. Set the path and save the file. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!